Hey everybody, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back for another video tutorial. Very excited to do another card using the Sweet Songbirds stamp set and Bird Builder Punch. Love this set. This is another card that we did at Super Saturday not too long ago. It has a little more stamping, but it's just lots of fun. While I'm getting this together, I was going to give you an update on my craft room on the purge, and I have gotten rid of my big cabinet. I do have some of the items in boxes. It's all going in my bedroom until I can get some replacement storage. So that is my goal. I have been looking at new desktops, longer ones, and a new cabinet. And I'm having to rethink because the cabinets I had planned are not going to be tall enough for me to have like a nice cutting counter. So rethinking that part of the craft room and struggling with that a bit. So it's happening. It's just happening really slowly. All right, let's get on to our card. Okay, so we're going to start off with a Pear Pizzazz card base. I love Pear Pizzazz. I just like saying Pear Pizzazz. Okay, then we have a piece of white for the inside. I'm just going to stick that in there for now. And then I've got a layer of early espresso. I'll put measurements on my blog and the supply list, so that will all be in the link below. Now I have a piece that's just 1/8 of an inch smaller of basic white. So this is what we're going to focus on right now. I've used, I love these things, basic border dies. It comes with what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different borders. Look at all these. We got a big curve. We have a fun little scallop zigzag. We have this fun one. We have a little point, a regular zigzag, and this is my favorite. It's clouds. Clouds. So I cut a template. Now you can tell it's been well used. Using this on just a sheet of, you know, junk cardstock. I don't use my good cardstock. I use the junk cardstock. What did I do with my paper? I was going to, oh my gosh, how did that disappear already? Did I pick it up? I had a piece of paper I was going to put on here, and how did it disappear in the 1 minute I was holding this? I don't know. Really? This is what happens on my desk. Things disappear out of thin air. I think I must have a portal to a black hole portal in my craft room because I don't, oh, I put it inside of here. The portal is inside your card. Look inside your card next time you're missing something. Oh, help me. Okay. Balmy blue ink, blending brush. And with this blending brush, you don't get ink just by tapping it. I'm telling you, you need to scrub it in there in a little circle. Then I'm going to use this and just very lightly, starting at the bottom, and you can do a little stronger. Oh, that was probably too strong. And we're going to just add color, angling, changing positions. Look at that. Isn't that the coolest thing? I need a little bit more down here. More color. We'll do across. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love making clouds. So cool. Okay, that's our background. We're going to stamp, I'm going to do a thank you card. Some of you send thank you cards. Some of you don't. If Judy's out there, Judy says, I don't send thank you cards. Judy, you need to send a thank you card. She sent me one though. I felt very privileged to get that thank you card. Okay, so that's our background. Oh, we do have to stamp one more thing. Hold on. I've got an early espresso scallop circle and a white circle that just covers it. This is from the Layering Circles dies. And I'm going to add this on my card right about there. So I need some music notes. This is what we call a scene builder stamp set. And which really just means that it has lots of different images that create a scene. So I'm just adding a few music notes going across because I'm going to stamp my bird on here. But I wanted to make sure it's kind of in line with my other ones. I'm just having them kind of go out across. Okay, let's stamp on this circle now. We're going to do lots of stamping. I want to do, let's do a branch. I've got a giant block here. I normally wouldn't use a big block like this, but all my other blocks are in projects right now. So I'm using some early espresso. I'm just going to stamp a branch across the bottom here. Just like that. I think that's all I'm going to use espresso for. Let's stamp our bird and our legs first, so we know our placement. I'm trying to find my legs. Okay, so we have two sets of legs, bird legs. One's going this direction for the small bird, and then this one's going this direction for the larger bird. So this is the small bird I'm using. So let's make sure his feet are on the branch somewhat. And then we can do our bird. I'm going to do this bird in Poppy Parade. I love Poppy Parade. Okay. Let's see. I can fit his body right on those legs. That is the goal. Ah, I did it. I'm so excited. He needs a wing too. Oh, didn't really put a wing on my sample. Let's put a wing on him and see what happens. I just want it a little darker, but I don't really want it going off of his body. I'm just going to add a little darker wing. It's very light, but you can still see it. Okay. Now, let's give him a set of eyes. Eyes. Kind of doubled up all my stamps on my block here. Eyes right there. And what else do we need? We need a beak. So we're going to use some mango for his little beak. Okay. Let's see. Just line up his beak there. Pretty easy. I love these clear stamps just for the lining up. I'm going to use that in a second. We're going to stamp some leaves. I'm using Old Olive because when you stamp off the Old Olive, it looks like Pear Pizzazz. So we're going to stamp a couple sets of leaves on our tree. How am I doing this? Let me see. I think I'm going to do it this way. These can go lots of different directions. So I'm going to stamp once there. I'm going to stamp one there. Now let's stamp off and just do one more set. I want to rotate this. Okay, and then stamping off one more, let's do a set of leaves down here. Cute! Okay, now we're going to bring back our mango. And this is just scene building, so we can just kind of, you know, add stuff in as we want. I'm going to do a flower here. Whoop, not a very strong flower. And a flower there. Let's see if I can stamp on top of that and make it a little bit darker. That is the trick. Whoop. See how easy that was? All right. not sure if I'm liking his wing right there because it's kind of it's kind of on his eye. So let's fix that. Let's stamp. Let's see if I have a piece of scrap paper. I do. I'm just gonna have to stamp and punch a wing. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, where's my punch? How does this punch go in this direction? Okay, let's just stamp a little wing on some scrap paper and punch it out. And see if we like that a little bit better. I think we're gonna like that better. Okay, let's do some assembly. I've got a smudge here. Where's our leaves? Let's bring them back for one more leaf to cover the smudge. That's how we figure, that's how we correct our mistakes. We make it purposeful. It wasn't really a mistake. It was just the way things happen sometimes. Okay. Let's get our adhesive going. All right. We're going to pop this on here. Doesn't that give you so much depth? I love doing that. The masking and sponging. It's fun. Fun to see it all come together. Okay. We're going to adhere this to the front. Okay, I'm going to pop up this circle, I think. All I have is mini dimensionals up here. This one I probably use bigger dimensionals. All right. Want it coming off the circle just a little bit, just like that. And let's pop up the wing. And then I feel like we need just a little bit of sparkle. Oh, cute. Okay, a little bit of sparkle. Let's do, looking for, that's what I'm looking for. Some of our champagne rhinestone gems. All right, there we go. And piercer, I had my piercer in two parts. Well, I don't know where it is. I struggle with that. That's okay. Okay, we'll just pick it up with our scissors. So I'm going to put one in the center of each of these flowers. Cute! Just the right amount of bling. Something's going on down here. Don't look at that. That's where my thumb goes. All right. I hope you enjoyed that one. Very quick. No, it's not real quick. Very cute and somewhat quick. But I hope you enjoyed that. And I will see you back here on Monday for one more bird card tutorial. This one, it's got stamping, punching, masking. It's got it all. So make sure you check back on Monday, and I will see you all then. All right, bye-bye.